Hi there, Saeed this side from Travelo. Let's plan an adventure trip with friends to Dharamshala with AI. We start by selecting our origin city, that is New Delhi. Then we select the destination, so we are going to Dharamshala. Let's select trip type as fun friends and occasion as adventure. The next step is to select dates for travel. I will pick a date in December. Next, we select mountains and nature as our interest, as well as adventure as the vibe. Finally, we select a suitable budget, that is 15K per person for this trip. The plan is now getting generated and within few seconds you can see the list of places. Although the next step is still being generated, you can explore the places. So we have Dal Lake, probably coming from nature, with highlights like images and all those sort of things. Another place we have is Gunadevi Mandir. You probably see this because you chose mountains as your interest. Another place is, let's go for tea gardens. So here you can see each place has a description, rating, images, highlight, as well as review summary coming from AI. After place is generated, we can see experience getting generated, and again you can review each experiences while they are getting generated in the background. The first one is Sunset Trek at Trinuth, which was one of the suggested places. You can review the highlights about experiences, step by step guide with estimated time, and also see why it's a match. If we go back, we can see more experiences are being generated and we can again click on any one of them to review the details. The third step in trip planning is itinerary generation, and again in few seconds you can see your full itinerary. Finally, you get redirected to your plan. Here you can explore your itinerary as well as bookings. Let's go to itinerary. Each experience is added by default in order. You can scroll to review the experiences covered every day with the distance and travel time between them. Going back, you can tap on booking to review the transport suggestion, and in this case Bobo is suggesting bus journey based on your budget. And if you are a traveler, you must try this product. It has got everything from discovery to booking. So see you there. Thank you.